How many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am in a collab with my very sweet friend April, and she's from House to Home with April, and I will make sure to have her channel listed in the description box, and I will talk a little bit about April and her channel a few minutes into this video. But first, let's just dive right into this very first DIY. So I got this picture frame from the thrift store. Very inexpensive. I love getting picture frames from the thrift store because they're so inexpensive. And if you buy picture frames, they're expensive at a regular store. So you can get some really good high quality frames at the thrift store. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a winter wreath. And I thought this was a cool idea. Just because it's different, I'm going to use a picture frame as my base rather than a wreath form or something. So I painted it white with the folk art white chalk paint. And then I have this sign that I got on clearance, 90% off. I love doing that. I think this one came from Joann's, but any of those big box stores, after every season, as you know, 80%, 90%, whatever, that's when I like to pick up these types of pieces. Because I think they're a little bit more high quality than Dollar Tree items. And sometimes you can get them for $1, maybe $2. You can get a really good deal on them. So I do try to take advantage of that. I'm not saying Dollar Tree has bad quality. Please, I love my Dollar Tree. Don't get me wrong. But I do think sometimes these are a little bit like real wood or a little bit higher quality. Anyway, I am going to paint this with this beautiful dark gray color. It's kind of, it's a dark gray with a little bit of like a bluish tint to it. It's very, very pretty. And now I'm going to use this transfer to put this fun image on it. It says Burr, it's cold outside, and just, a little design or whatever. Now, I am not very good at doing this. This is Chalk Couture transfer, and they're paste in bright white. But I'm learning. I love it, and it's fun, but I don't think I'm very good yet. However, happy little accidents, just like Bob Ross said, right? Because when I was doing this, you'll see when I remove the transfer, it is so far from perfect right there, as you can see. And I was like, okay, I actually like it. It looks a little distressed. I didn't have to sand it or anything. So I was like, all right, it works for me. So I have a bunch of different greenery. And what I'm going to do is start laying it out. And here's the key, at least for me. I chose a bunch of greenery that I had that to me felt like winter, different winter types of greenery. Anyway, and I'm going to start laying it out, right? And I am balancing it. The same on the right is the same on the left, okay? And it's going to kind of go up and around. You'll see here in just a moment. And the key, what I was getting at, the key here for me was to layer, layer, layer. So if you just keep layering, you get so much more dimension. And I don't know, it just really, really adds a lot to your project. So I'm starting with just this simple, I don't even know what type of greenery this is, but it's kind of flat, and I'm going to hot glue this on. And then I have these long stems that are frosted. You'll see those in just a moment. Some of them have little pine cones, some of them don't. And I'll just start layering those. There they are, right there. That'll be the next item that I layer. Then, and I don't go through every one of them, but because you'll sorry about that, you get the point. But I am going to layer some short, stumpier, fatter ones. And then I'm going to put some lambs here, some cotton, just different items in there. And again, I just think that really elevates your piece. And so anyway, that's what I did. Now the sign, you're probably like, why did you make that sign? Well, the sign is going to be in the middle of the picture frame, and I'm going to hang it with this really pretty ribbon to the top of the frame. And then what we're going to do is we're going to end up making a bow for the bottom center. So as you can see, I put some other greenery here. Now I'm going to put the cotton on. And yeah, I think it's turning out good. This was a really fun piece, and I don't know, I love it. I actually really really like this one. I don't always say that about every one of my projects, obviously, but this one I really liked, and I feel like okay, this wreath is good for. I live in the Midwest. It's winter through March, you know. So anyway, all right. There's some lambs here. Like I said, I'm just gonna keep layering.
Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave.
So, as I mentioned in the beginning, I am collabing with my sweet friend April, and this is her channel. She is so talented, and let me just say, her home is so beautiful, and she decorates it. Oh my gosh, I can't even, I could just go on and on about how she decorates her home. Um, she does a lot of thrifting. It's just so beautiful, and she uses a lot of the pieces that she makes, obviously, in her decor. And so, what I like about it is she'll do her, tutorials and show you how she makes her DIYs, but then she also does house tours for each season so that you can see how she's displaying her items. So anyway, just love her channel. Please go check April out. I will list her channel in the description box. And thank you so much, April, for collabing. It was a lot of fun. All right, back to the DIY. We're almost done here. So I did have these, I don't know what to call them, spriggy things. And then I made a different type of bow at first, but then I changed it up and went with this bow, which is just a shoestring bow, layered shoestring bow. That's hard to say. And thanks to my friend Favi, because we were talking about it, and she's like, no, I think you need more of a flat bow, and I agreed with her once I did it. So thank you, Favi, from Arrows DIY. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I did here, and I'm loving this ribbon. By the way, I have an Amazon storefront, so it's much easier and I think more user friendly to look at and shop from. If you are interested in any of the products that I use, I try to keep that updated. I know the ribbon is in there. I believe the cotton is as well. Anyway, you can check it out if you want. And just as a disclaimer, I do get a very small commission if you do end up purchasing any of the items that I use. However, I just want to point out that that does not affect your cost at all. It'd be the same cost as if you searched for it online yourself. All right, and so this little snowflake came from Dollar Tree. I pulled off, there was a little like flower element or something on the top. I pulled that off, and then I'm just using this larger bead, pearl type bead, to glue in the center. And I thought that just gave it kind of a nice touch at the top of the frame, where the ribbon is to hold the sign. And that was it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Please let me know down in the comments what you think about it, and if it's something that you would try. So, yeah, I really had a lot of fun with it. All right, I have one more project for you. It's super quick, super easy. And I'm going to be doing this for Valentine's. I'm going to be doing this a lot because I just think it's fun and so, so, so easy. So I'm sorry, I'm still showing still showing the beautiful wreath. Hope you're enjoying it. um, but for my second DIY, I am going to make a little buffalo check fleece, I guess, tree. And there it is. Super easy. I got the scarf from the Dollar Tree, and you can watch how easy this is to do. And I want to do a heart for Valentine's. I think that'd be really cute.
Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
So, as you can see, this is really simple. I just cut a triangle out. I mean, two of them actually. And I am hot gluing it now. That's all I'm going to do. And I mean, then I'm just going to use polyfill. If you don't have polyfill, you can use anything. Do you have an old pillow? I mean, honestly, anything. You could probably use, I mean, maybe I sound weird, but couldn't you even just use like, I don't know, cotton balls? I mean, what's the difference? You know what I mean? Anything you have on hand would work just fine. And so then once I fill it up with the polyfill, I just happen to have polyfill. I did not go out and buy it for this, but once you fill it up, you're gonna see that I painted a dowel. Did I do that yet? I guess I haven't done that yet. Sorry. And these dowels, any dowel you want, it doesn't matter. I'm just showing you the ones I had on hand. And then I have this wood slice on hand as well for quite a while. So I don't remember where I got that. I apologize. But I know you can find them at Hobby Lobby and probably on Amazon. Well, for sure on Amazon. Anyway, as a matter of fact, maybe I did get it on Amazon. It might be in my Amazon store. I can't remember. Um, but I am going to drill a little hole in the wood slice not all the way through, just enough to set that dowel in there. And you'll see that here in just a few moments. And then I'm also going to use hot glue just to keep it real secure. But that's all I do. So I'm going to stuff it, and then I'm going to add the dowel inside the tree. And then you'll see me drill the hole. And yeah, and attach it. All right. So if you are new, or if you're coming over from April's channel, welcome. Please say hi in the comments. I would love to meet you. And I'm just so happy that you are here. I love to do all different kinds of DIYs: rustic, boho, shabby chic, thrift flips are my favorite, etc., 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 etc. That's hard to say. And if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I'm so, so, so grateful for you. So thank you for returning. And yeah, I really hope that you are enjoying both of these DIYs, and enjoy. I'll be back with you in just a moment.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
Okay, we're almost finished. I hope that you enjoyed both of these DIYs, and I want to wish everybody a happy new year. Welcome into 2022. Let's make this a great year. I have a lot of really fun things that I want to do with my channel this year for you guys, for all my subscribers, my friends. And yeah, so I'm really looking forward to it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed both. I think these turned out so cute. And let me know what you think in the comments. And if you are going to try these, and if you do try any of them, please send me a picture, tag me on Instagram, and let me know. I'd love to see your work. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. Thank you.